Industrial electricians, also known as electrical repairers or mill electricians, install, maintain, troubleshoot, and repair industrial electrical equipment and associated electrical and electronic controls. In the forest products industry, they play a variety of roles that are typically found working in mills and other industrial settings like pellet plants and planer facilities.
I'm Austin Benton. I'm an industrial electrician here at Westervelt. We're located in Moundville, Alabama. My day-to-day duties as an industrial electrician are maintaining the mill. It consists of catching calls and doing daily PMs.
Industrial electricians troubleshoot and diagnose electrical failures that occur during manufacturing processes. To be good at troubleshooting means you need a broad understanding of electrical systems so you can isolate and repair faults and failures. A day in the life of an industrial electrician might involve repairing a critical electrical fault fast enough to prevent an entire mill operation from shutting down.
The thing I enjoy most about my job is the people I work with are very smart individuals, and I get to learn a lot every day.
As an industrial electrician, you'll need to interpret drawings, blueprints, and electrical code specifications, install, examine, replace, and repair electrical wiring, and troubleshoot, maintain, and repair industrial, electrical, and electronic control systems.
Becoming an industrial electrician has positively impacted my life because I have a job every day to go to. I'm financially stable and make great money.
This job is right for you if you're a natural problem solver who takes safety seriously. If working with cutting-edge energy-efficient systems is appealing, you'll like this job. And apprenticeship and/or trade school experience is a requirement.
My job plays a major role in the forest product industry because when the sawmill goes down, electricians are the first ones called to get the mill back going. Everything here is automated. This mill strictly runs on electrical and mechanical parts, so when it's down, we've got to get to work and get it back running.
For more information on becoming an industrial electrician, visit forestryworks.com.